Taxi! Taxi!
Hey, come in! Hey, please put on your seatbelt.
You're the one who's gonna need some security. Ha 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 ha. This car is mine now. Get out or I'll shoot you!
Oh no! Another crazy passenger!
Stop! Stop!
Well. I'll now demonstrate the importance of the seatbelt in practice.
Stop now!
I hope he's learned his lesson.